Now, quickly, why C is still useful, why we are still learning C, I have listed here. C is high performance and very efficient language. It is a high level. It is more close to machine. Okay, C is not like C++ and Java. It is more close to machine. तो ये थोड़ा सा मिडल लेवल लैंग्वेज है. तो C यूज करके बहुत सारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स एंड ऑल तुम लोग डिजाइन कर सकते हो. Actually, there are your seniors, Aditya and Manoj. They are also part of CSI. Aditya is part of CSI. He had given me list of projects जो मुझे एक्सप्लोर करने थे, but I think I'm already running out of time, so I think I will not be able to cover those. He had made your own senior जो जब वो फर्स्ट ईयर में था, फर्स्ट ईयर से थर्ड ईयर जाते टाइम उसने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स डेवलप किए थे. यू कैन ट्राई योर हैंड्स ऑन your own project. You can take a problem definition, define your own projects, and apart from learning a C programming, these are a few characteristics which will define a successful computer programmer. So you'll need to have passion for learning computer programming, patience, because there will be n number of times your codes will go wrong, you will not get the solution. So you need to have patience. A penchant for problem solving, you need to have that attitude or approach for the problem solving. A desire to put things in order. अगर कुछ solution गलत होता है, बार बार उसको correct करने का patience and desire होना चाहिए. Basically the most important thing, a love for learning programming and desire for efficiency. If you're just writing programs which are not efficient, it is not going to contribute to the industry or the application development. So are you programmed to become a programmer? You think and decide. तुम्हें प्रोग्राम किया गया है प्रोग्रामर बनने के लिए या तुम खुद से चॉइस से प्रोग्रामर बन रहे हो? That's completely dependent on you. So these are some coding jobs which you can consider. You can go through these jobs. Once you become a software engineer or software programmer, these are the various domains in which you can work. And these are some resources I have used. Particularly, I would recommend each and every second year student to follow this particular YouTube channel. I'll share this. This particular sir or this particular fellow has put lots of C videos online on YouTube, and there are really very good explanations in each and every video. If you really have to go through this particular YouTube channel, you can go through and you can revise your C programming concepts, which were not covered in this session due to lack of session, and I was uh, not able to complete. Also, apart from your curriculum development, if you are interested in developing yourself as a person, as an engineer, these are some of the sites I have listed. You can go through these sites, you can develop yourself as an engineer. And at the end, I would really like to end this session by using this quote as the capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, the willingness to learn is a choice by Brian Hubbard. But the choice lies with you. The choice is yours. If you want to learn, you will learn. And there is no problem. See, I am myself a bio student. I'm learning programming. I'm doing things very nicely. So I assume if any of you are there and those are bio students and they have a complexity, this is the right time. Please uh, throw away all the problems you're facing. Do not give any excuses. Start learning. Keep coding. All the best to all of you. Thank you.